This is running tick by tick. We're up over 4,000. This is where I would normally enter my trade if all of my other indicators line up. There we go, and there's the rip. There's the drop right there. This is what we wanted to be in to capture this trade, and this is how we do this. The cumulative delta is an indicator that shows the imbalance between the buyers and the sellers in the market. So the cumulative delta acts as a filter, which you can use this with your trading style or with our other suite of indicators to make a full trading system. So what we want to do is use this as a filter to filter out trades that we may not want. So we want to trade with the other traders, not against it. We want to trade with the flow. So when it gets to a certain level, we know that there's enough traders in the market during that time, as long as everything else lines up, that we may want to enter that trade and take a trade then once that reaches that level. Okay, nothing too exciting right here. It's kind of back and forth. The delta is actually pretty neutral at this point, in my opinion. I really want this thing to get up around 3,000. Now there we go, or 25, 26, 27. Now this is still sped up a little bit for time's sake right here. I'd have slowed it down so you can kind of see how we would trade this. A little boring watching this minute by minute. But we're waiting on the cumulative delta. We want to get in this trade when all the other traders are trading. Now it's getting back interesting again, back up. Okay, there's 4,000 on here. And so this is telling me that a lot of the other traders are also in the selling mode right now. This is running tick by tick. We're up over 4,000. This is where I would normally enter my trade if all of my other indicators line up, and this is where I would want to take a short right here and trade with the other traders. We're back up around 4,000. There we go, and there's the rip. There's the drop right there. This is what we wanted to be in to capture this trade, and this is how we do this. Now, we want to make sure everything else is good with our other indicators, with our trading system that we have, or your trading system, and this will help you to filter out these trades and get in the trade when everything is running. And it's still running right here, by the way. And now she's probably going to get to the point where she's exhausted. But we already captured that trade. We were already in this trade. We already captured this. You can see that it's taking a breather right now. It may run again, but right now that was the leg down that we wanted to do. You can find these on our website, HolyGrailAlgo.com. The cumulative delta, along with all our other ones, are just $49 for the entire year. It's an incredible value.